What's your favorite color?
I don't know what his favorite color is. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Do you have any blue Fruit Loops?
Yeah.
Dalton, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Can you say blue?
Blue.
Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Can you say green?
Green.
Can you say red?
Yeah.
Can you say orange?
Green.
Can you say purple?
Purple.
Good job. Can you say black?
Black.
Can you say brown?
Black.
How about, did I forget one? Say pink. Say white.
Black.
You're a good talker.
This is pink. And it has a little white on it.
It does? Yummy.
Oh, look.
Say, excuse me.
Thank you.
Dalton, say excuse me. Say excuse me. You're a rascal. Hey, what are you doing out of your seat, mister? Hey, Easton, where are we going today?
The next bit.
Where?
The next bit.
Do you have a hiccup?
Yeah.
Gymnastics. What are you trying to do? What do you want to play on? God bless you.
I want to do the flip.
Flip.
And I want to go in the rings.
The rings. I hope they have some. What are we going to eat when we come home?
Macaroni.
Delicious. Can you say bye, Rainin and Micah?
Bye, Rainin and Micah.
Dalton, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dalton, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.